Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great night. So, today there will be no trading JPY pairs today. So, I'm gonna be looking at either GU, gold, or maybe GBPNCD. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today. So we'll see what happens. Before we get started with some analysis here, let's have some music going. All right. So first thing first. Good morning, Indiga. Good morning, Jewel. So first thing first, we're gonna go to the H4 time frame here. See, previously we got this support zone here on the H4. Resistance turn support right there. And got this resistance up here. And then we got this resistance right here. Then we go to the H1. Also, looking at the H1 here, you can also see that we have this previous support here. And we got this resistance here. All right. So that's what we're looking at here with GU. GU here, we could have buys above 1.25500. And we could have sales below 1.24700. Right. Excuse me, guys. So right now we're looking at a previous fake out right here. So we just gotta wait and see if price is gonna, if this candle can flip bearish, and for price to be above 1.25100 here, we could actually take a sell here from this previous support zone here. So we'll see what happens with GU, or if price is just gonna now continue bullish. So we'll see what happens. So that's that for GU. Now let's take a look at gold. Go to the H4 here.
I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl?
So looking at gold here on the H4 time frame, we have this support here.
Got your own, but can tell you need some love.
Got resistance here. Support right here. Got support here. Got resistance right here.
That's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know.
Got resistance right here.
When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I know you girl all my life when I'm with you.
To the H1 time, H1 time frame here. Smooth this up a little bit here. So for me, looking at gold here, I'll be looking for buys above 1872 and sells below 1852 here. So we're gonna go to the 30-minute time frame here. And sells below 1852. All right, so Alright, so we're going to look at GBPNCD here. Go to the H4. Got a nice support zone here. resistance. Resistance right there. Looking at this on the H1 now. Zone there, zone here. I feel like we should see GBPNCD falling here. Too much stuff going on here on GN on the left hand side here. Looking at this on the H1. So GBPNCD is about to break this support zone here. So we'll see what happens. So sales below 1944.30 or so. I'm really not anticipating buys here on with GN, so we'll see what happens. Good morning, Caleb. See what we got. Today is Tuesday. All right, we got USD news coming up at 9. For now, that's the only red folder news we have. So we'll see. So is gold gonna keep going up here, or we're gonna see a sell continuation once we get to 1872, or we're gonna see a break and close above? That's what we gotta wait for. But the overall trend is actually sells, so we'll see what happens. We are looking at gold. We actually have the resistance right here, but then we also have this support zone here to the left, and then we have this wick here, because price can actually break this resistance and fill up this wick, reject, and start coming down. So that's why I have my resistance zone right at that wick fill. So I have my resistance zone right here, and you can see price came back touch this previous resistance here to the left and pull back to the top. Oh, well, we mean to do that. So we'll see what happens. So this is GBPNCD, and I'm really looking to sell this thing. So we'll see what happens here. Just gotta wait and see if this 30-minute candle is actually gonna close and break and close below. Like I said earlier, I'm not gonna be looking at any JPY pairs this week until Thursday. So Radenko. Yep, US session opens in 9 minutes here. As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button, guys.
Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twilight lit. Yeah, let them know who got the crown. Girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it with her crew. Yeah, don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Me rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel on your body, girl, you so addicted. She got that tsunami. When you there with me, can't be still. Don't you hurt nobody. You be alone if looks can kill. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Hey, for don't say, for bouger. Don't say, for bouger. Don't say, bouger. Girl, you got the whole town screaming. Wind up on me now, wind up on me, girl. We on the dance floor, we vibing. We in so deep like we mobbing. You got my temperature rising. No one like you, boo. Always keep it hundo when you move. They don't really want it with our crew. Don't need that drama, she calling your mama. Ooh, who that on the move? Me rolling with the baddest, we can't lose. Party till the morning, how we do. Just had to feel
Man,
your body.
I can't wait for this bank holiday with in Japan to be over, man, so I can get back to trading my JPY pairs. And that's not gonna happen until freaking Thursday. And we get NFP coming up on Friday. So trading is gonna be a little bit tricky this week. We're in NFP week. Good morning, Super Data Wolf. New York session opens in 3 minutes. So looking at GBPNCD here, if price should eventually break 93,600 here, feel like price should get down here to 92,400. So we'll see what happens. And if price should break 94,400, we should see we have about almost 80 pip range here, 70 to 80 pip range move here. So we shall see what happens. New York session is officially opened.
I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Follow me, I go show you the way. C'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Follow me, I go show you the way. Searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, I go show you the way. Follow me, I go show you the way. C'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Follow me, I go show you the way. I'ma be right here, girl, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. Surfing. You've been searching, yeah. In the wrong place. Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Troy is back. Should we wait for the retest once it breaks the trend neckline? Are we waiting for a breakout? That's what we're waiting for. We could either get a breakout or a bearish flip, and it could also be a fake out. So what I'm waiting for here on GN is based off the 15-minute time frame here. We have a clearing support zone here to the left. So this current candle that keeps flipping bullish and bearish, if it flips bearish here and crosses this support line, I'm actually gonna take the sell. For price to keep pushing down to 1.93600 here, just a potential 70 to 80 pip move. We might get the whole 70 pip move if we leave the runner, and we might only get maybe 20, 30, or maybe 50 pips. So we'll see what happens. Alright, GU slowly pushing up here. I only backtest once in a while. But I don't backtest my own strategy anymore like I used to. But when I hear about a new strategy, especially if I'm trying to upload a new video about it and talk about it, I make sure I backtest it first to see if it's actually a profitable strategy before I put it out there for my audience to see. You're welcome, Victory. You said you feel like the market is slow for you. You said the music is putting you to sleep. You just gotta be patient, Victory. GN is currently rejecting this support zone here. I feel like come Thursday, all JPY pairs they're gonna move like crazy. That's just the feeling that I'm having. So, but we'll see what happens. But I wouldn't want, if it moves crazy, I wouldn't want the move to happen during London though. I want it to happen either during Asian session or New York session. All these weeks here on the H1 time frame here, looking at gold. Let's see, concern. Yeah, support, just turn resistance here. Alright, cool. GU is trying to break this resistance now. Well, we'll see how this candle closes. This candle still has like 14 minutes to close here. Alright, we have a bearish flip right now, so we'll see what happens. You guys can do better than 15 pips. You guys can do better than. Did I just say 15 pips? I meant to say you guys can do better than 15 likes. I said pips. So this setup here, right from 1994 400 here all the way down to 93 600 is about 70 to 80 pips. Now, does that mean like that's the only place I'm going to take some profits? No, I'm actually going to take some profits here with 20 pips at least. Because this is GBPNCD. This is actually the second GBP pair. No, actually the third GBP pairs that I trade once in a while. The two GBP pairs that I trade often is GJ and GU, followed by GBPNCD. Aside from those three GBP pairs, I don't trade any other GBP pairs. I don't trade this often. If you've been watching my stream for a while, you will know that I don't trade. In fact, I've never traded GBPNCD on the live stream. This is going to be the first time on the live stream if I trade it here. But on my own, I've traded it a couple of times. I won't be looking at it today if JPY pairs, if there's no bank holiday today. So what's the difference? Because it's very volatile, and I like how it moves. It's very close to GJ as well, because once it's ready to move, man, it's just gonna start. It's just gonna keep moving. For example, look at like all this crazy move it did here, and then once it was ready to move, it just freaking shut up. And this thing shut up for like freaking 200 pips. It might give you all this freaking weird and crazy move once in a while, just like GJ, because GJ does this exact same thing as well. But once it's ready to move, man, it's just gonna move like crazy. And obviously, once you see stuff like this, consolidation like this, I mean, you already know what to do. If you've been trading for a while, you know not to take any trades at all until you have a break above or a break below. Right now, what's going on right here? Right now, this is way much better than what happened previously down here. So we just gotta wait for closure here. Good morning, Mr. Grind Time. Why this stuff from? What are you talking about? Damn, you killing it. UD just freaking took off after our one-on-one session. Man, that's amazing, man. You're welcome, UD. Yeah, you can always use price action. Price action is the best strategy, whether it's supply and demand or support and resistance. Both of them works. I was expecting to see a bearish flip here, but looks like we're not gonna get it. So still a waiting game here. Still a waiting game. You're welcome, Othman. Damn, you're negative 60 pips on gold right now, Gary? Man. Oh, you must have bought gold from here. That's why I say, supply and demand is a good strategy, but does it work 100% of the time? Obviously, no. Hopefully, the next candle is gonna, be bullish. Hopefully, gold does not decide to start coming down now, so you at least make you some money. Cause man, losing sucks. Losing money in the market sucks. But there's nothing you can do about it. You just gotta get back up and keep going. Oh, you was in profit. Oh man. Wow, good job. Said you notice trades and supply and demand tend to consolidate a lot of times. I wouldn't say a lot of times, but it happens sometimes. Should we trade only supply and demand or support and resistance? It depends on you. I can't make that decision for you. So it depends on you.
Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up. Lately you and I've been all love. I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you forgetting all about us. My jolie, oh my jolie.
Well, I took the buys on GU, guys. We'll see what happens. I took the buys on GU. To the buys on GU.
You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on a rebound, but it's it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parle mais t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, yo, wall up, you can't even get the scars up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. You forgetting all about us, oh. My jolie, oh my jolie, where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl you got me. This is more the bluffing, made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing, telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off? Telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off? My jolie, oh my jolie. My jolie, oh my jolie. Yeah, this is murder, heart is melting, girl you got me. Called the bluffing, made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off? Telling me to cool it off. How can I cool it off? I don't know how to cool it off. My jolie, oh my jolie. Yeah. On me. Yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that
See what happens with GU.
All you wanna do is party, yo. I know. You are the type that they warn me about, when I'm with you, all the wrong feels alright,
See what happens with GU, yeah.
But she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. Yeah. Nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo. Hey, fashionably late on purpose, all eyes on you. Fashionably late. Wind up on the place, now all of the guys want you. Shut it down. Knows how to move it and checking what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do. We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. Yeah, baby, do you know if you're ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me. Baby, do you know if you're ready for me? She said, let me know when you're ready for me. Yeah. Nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo, nyamaten beolo. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me. Yeah. Why you gotta be so cold sometimes, girl?
Just gonna try and target this previous resistance here to the left. See what happens. Ten pips smashed. 10 pips smashed. Can I see some W's in the chat? Ten pips smashed on GU. Can I see some W's in the chat? Quick 10 pips. Some W's. Let's see what GU does from here. All right, GU, what are you gonna give us now? You gonna give us more money? You gonna give us more money, GU? What do you guys think? You think GU is still gonna give us more money? Before the news happens? Keep smashing the like button, guys. Right now, I closed half of my positions. Yeah, I'm gonna let it run too. I close half right now. So we'll see what happens. We got a demand zone here now.
Yeah. Girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah.
Gold is now tripping. Now gold wants to be ranging.
Yeah. I can't wait till we're together. I can never get enough of you. Yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now.
It's really pulling back here. We'll see what happens. But I'm really expecting it to get to at least 1.25, 780, 783 here at least. So we'll see what happens.
She mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah, you gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Won't you be the body in my story? She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah. Nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
And the chat is awful quiet today. What's going on, chat? I thought uh to- 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 Zay is not here today. He's probably busy.
Oh yeah, I'm yeah, me like it. Every time you wake up, stunning when you wake
Zesty,
up.
how you doing?
How you call my name up? Got me feeling way up. Me like it. Haters tryna break us. Them know they can shake us. Me like it. Baby, me no chaser. Get ready to take off. Okay. Yeah. Up and away we go. I can never find nobody like you, my baby. Oh, hit him one time. Yeah. She no play no game, you know. I can never find no hottie like you, my baby. Would you be my number one? Number one A, number one, number one A, number one, number one A, number one. Won't you be my number one? Number one A, number one.
Oh, you're still in school, Zesty? Nice.
Number one, yeah, me like it.
Yeah, I see. This is a quiet morning.
Pulling me close, me like it. When we kiss and make up, she be getting paper, me like it. Girl, that body so tight, gonna be a long night, me like it. Baby, me no chaser.
Right now, I'm just ready to see if my TP is gonna get smashed here. Good morning, Trevor. Did you catch the GU move, Trevor? So if GU actually hit my first TP here, which is about 20 to 25 pips, actually it's like, it should be like almost 25 pips, then I'll close another half and then let it keep running. So we'll see what happens.
Won't you be my number one? Number one A, number one, number one A, number one, number one A.
Oh, you caught it late? Yeah, man, I understand you're a nurse and you'll be working long hours, man. Just imagine if you have a decent account size and your lot size was at least standard lot size, you just made one band out of this. If your lot size was 10 standard, even if you close half, you just made the $500, just like that. Yep, USD news in what? Yeah, 1 hour 10 minutes or so. I didn't want to miss this potential move to this resistance up here to 25,800, and who knows, maybe 26,100 as well before the news happens, but so we'll see. You took a sell on gold at 1865 at my time. if you're still in profit, you should move your SL. If not, I think you should get out. Except if you already move your SL. If gold wants to keep selling, we might see a sell continuation here at 1865, or maybe 1867 or 1872. So we'll see what happens. Oh man, we'll see. We shall see. When I come out with my own course, which I'll be coming out with very, very soon, I'm gonna stop my signals completely. So if you wanna make money with me, it's either you come to the live stream, or you get a one-on-one mentorship session, or you get a course. Obviously, it doesn't have to be mine. It all depends on whatever you want to do. Because a lot of people, man, they just want to depend on signals. If you can, figure out this on your own, then you gotta, spend some money if you're really serious about this. And obviously, people learn differently. It's just the way it is in this industry. When I was starting out, if I had money to go get a course, man, at that time I couldn't find anyone selling a course for like $300 or $500. It was all in the thousands, and man, I just couldn't afford to freaking spend thousands of dollars on a course. So guess what I did? I had no choice but to watch a bunch of YouTube videos, practice, and I kept on getting better every time I, was doing it on my own, learning what I've, practicing what I've learned. So I'm saying that to let you know, in this industry, you really do not need a course, but everybody is not the same. People learn differently. Some people, YouTube videos will be enough for them, and they'll be able to catch on to whatever they've learned. And some people, all they need is just, one-on-one sessions. Some people, they might have to do the one-on-one mentorship sessions multiple times, so they only need to do it once, and they'll catch on to everything. And some people, they definitely need a course. So you know yourself. That's just how we are as human beings. We learn differently. Grant Time said he went to YouTube University. Me too. Yep, I went to YouTube University to learn Forex. YouTube University. That's why there are traders that I like. even though I didn't spend money with them, but it was actually their videos that helped me become the trader I am today. So I will always respect them. Always. Without their videos, like I said, even though I didn't spend money with them, but without their videos, I wouldn't be here today. And I'm definitely not the only one. Yeah, hundreds of good traders out there now that all they did was on YouTube. And some of them had to actually spend money to to be the trader they are today. That's just how it is.
I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same.
Keep smashing the like button, guys. Ade.tune, please sir, can I apply you talked about previous strategy recording on as 100 as soon as it's 8:45? Yes, you can, but obviously you gotta wait for the setup to happen before you take it. If I can't see grinding this thing at my age, I don't know why anyone wouldn't. Yep. Started learning this thing 2 years ago, and now the reward is paying off. That's how it is. Right now, I'm actually 37 years old, even though I don't look it, but that's actually my age. Now, do I wish I started this thing when I was in my early 20s? Of course. But it's never too late. Never too late. Who you watching? Too much of YouTubers. So you just have to go with wherever you're. So this was what I did. I went with whoever my spirit resonates with, and that was what I did. I just kept on watching their videos. Like I actually had like 2 to 3 YouTubers that I was watching. How you went to YouTube University too, but both courses and one-on-one to support. Nice. Yeah, like Mr. Grind Time story is just like amazing to me. He's just been in this game just for 6 months, and he's actually really killing it. Yep, and he's about to get himself a 50K funded account. And he's just been in this game for 6 months. That's amazing. Incredible. That was what I was saying earlier, that people learn differently. People learn differently, and he put in the work. Dang, Joel, you started trading before YouTube was in existence? Did you really mean that, or you actually being funny? I know, right? Yeah, it's really amazing to me. 6 months into this industry, and he's about to get a 50K. I mean, not 50K, 15K funded account. How you said I say it every day, Roger Banks? Yeah, he was one of those people. When I started watching him, I don't think he had a course at that time. So I'll give you their names: Roger Banks, Renateo, and um, the Trading Channel. Those are the three channels I used to watch when I first started. Oh wow, wow, Jugo, that's amazing. How you say you should have done 50K? Yeah, you just didn't have the money. Yeah, I know, right? But you can, if you get the money and you want to have a 50K account, you can actually do the 50K one as well. Let me see. I think I'm stopped out now on GU. What? Oh no, I'm still in. But man, if this thing push down a little bit more, GU is gonna take me out. Hopefully it doesn't take me out. Let's go. We got a bullish flip. Come on, let's go. We got a bullish flip now. Come on, GU. Look at the H1. Flip on the H1 also. Let's see. This thing should keep pushing up here. We got a bullish flip here on gold as well for price to keep pushing up here. You can see, even with me, the way I mark up my chart compared to other, YouTube or Forex YouTube streamers, you can tell it's different. That's how you know that, we all trade differently as traders. So we all trade differently. That's why I don't be bashing any traders at all, because we all don't trade. We don't trade the same. As long as your strategy is making you money, then keep doing you. Keep doing what you're doing. What lot size should you use on a 10K account? Man, it depends on you. 0.5, 1%, 2%, maximum 2%. That's all I'm gonna tell you. How much leverage do I use? My leverage is 1 to 500. That's my leverage. Yep. David also just gave you a good advice. You can choose to go full margin if you want to. It all depends on you. I mean, it is what it is. For me right now, I've got into a level where I don't have to like keep increasing my lot size anymore. So now I just stick to one lot size. Just one lot size. That's all I use. That's all I use. For now, at least. Yeah, I don't know where Zay is today. He hasn't been here today. Maybe he's working today or something. I don't know. Let's go, GU. So, guys, like I said earlier, we're not gonna be trading JPY pairs until Thursday. So Thursday, we'll get back with JPY pairs. If not for the bank holiday, JPY bank holiday, probably would have missed out on these GU buys, but we'll see. GU currently running 17 pips. Oh man. Yeah, you get it all back, Mr. Grind Time. Oh yeah, you said you wasn't using paper risk management. Oh, you did that on purpose. At least you knew what you was doing. At least you knew what you was doing. Was I using supply and demand to breakouts? I use breakouts here on support and resistance. Oh, you were talking to Mr. Grantime? Exactly, Joel. That's what I try to tell people. If you on a losing streak, let's say for a week, 2 weeks, don't feel bad. It doesn't mean your strategy doesn't work. Even if you keep losing back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. And I try to tell people, if you take one trade that was a loss the same day, then you took another one, then that was another loss the same day, just stop trading. Just stop trading, because at that point your psychology is already messed up. If you try and take another trade, I guarantee you're gonna lose again. If you take 2 trades and you already lost, just stop trading. Because if you try and take the third trade, your psychology is already messed up, and I guarantee you're gonna lose again if you do that. You just gotta be very careful. And I'm saying it out of experience. I don't even have to say it. It has happened to us here live. It has happened before. We took one trade, we lost it, and then I was like, you know what? Let me look for another setup. We took it again. Boom! It was a loss. What did I do? I just stopped trading. And then I waited till Asian session to look for a setup, saw a setup and took it, and we actually won. Um, all right, GU flip bearish again here. USD Nielsen 45 minutes. Hopefully we don't get stopped out before that happens. And if we're still in this trade, hopefully the Nielsen is push GU up. But whatever happens with GU, if we pull back to this resistance zone here at 25,500, even if we get stopped out, I might get in again. And the reason why I took this buy was because we had previous support here, became resistance here, support on resistance. That's why I took the buys after the breakout. And then we had this previous bullish flip candle here, and I took the buys. So even if we get a pullback here and a rejection, I'll wait for that candle to close, or another bullish flip, and then I'll take the buys. All right, we officially are out. If you moved your stop loss already, you officially out of GU. If you didn't, then that means you're back to drawdown now. this is my running trade. Where was my lowest low and highest high? Um, I don't understand what you mean. You gotta let me understand what you're trying to say. All right, now. So for me, with GU, like I said earlier, um, if we get a retest back to this zone here, now then I might take another buy after the news. So we'll see what happens. This candle still has about 12 minutes to close here. I think this is going to have an effect on the market today. This AUD news during pre-London this morning actually drove AUD, pushed AUD up. Alright, nothing is going on with gold for me right now.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it?
You're welcome, GZ24. Yeah, we all stopped out of GU now. Like I said, all I can do right now is to wait for a retest. If I don't get a retest, then obviously there's nothing for me to look at with GU until we get to 1.26100, 1.2650. So my highest what? That's what I don't understand. I don't know what you're trying to ask me. Highest low and the highest high for the runners trade. I mean, do anyone else understand what Adi Dotun is trying to ask me? Because I don't. My highest low and highest high for the runners trade. Oh man, I don't understand. I'm trying to figure it out, but I can't. I mean, the running trade here on GU was, we got 10 pips, we moved stops to break even, took partials, and now we stopped out. But so we only secured 10 pips. If that's what you're asking. Oh, I think I know what you're trying to ask. So, I mean, there have been a few times where we, after we left a runner, we were able to, get like 30 more pips, 50 more pips. But I think the highest we've got was like about 100 pips after leaving a runner. And it happened live here on stream. And I think it happened with GJ. Yeah, it was that day was just crazy. It was like GG just kept on dropping, 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 dropping. I think it was on an NFP day. It just kept on dropping, kept on dropping, kept on dropping. It was crazy. You think it means my GU zones for buy and sell? Oh yeah, I have it here. I took the buy zones price book 1.25550. That's my high. Those are my highs, and my lows here is below 1.25 thousand, and obviously we have another low here at 1.24700. Just see the move started from here. I'm gonna show it to you now. So we have a high here, higher low. What the hell is going on? Okay, I gotta do this again. So higher high. What the hell? Okay, I'm okay. That's tripping. So higher low here, higher high. Price came down. Damn. So we have a damn. Then higher low here, high, low, and then obviously we have the high here, which was our previous resistance, and I just waited for price to break above. So now if price breaks below this low here at 1.25 thousand here, then you know you can take a sell there, and your TP is going to be this next low here, which is at 1.24700. Oh, I hope that helped. So even if we start from this low here, if we start from this low here, we have this. Oh man. So what the hell? So we have this high here, then we have higher low here, higher high, higher low, and now we have a higher high here, because you can see this high now is higher than this high that we have here at 1.25 500 here. So price just created a high now, because this high is higher than this previous resistance here. Another 20 pips on GJ. Hold on, is GJ moving? Is JPY pairs moving today? Oh, I see what you're doing, UD. You took a demand setup trade. Stop loss below this. Oh yeah. Hopefully you don't get stopped, huh? I think the move started from right here though. Man, good job, UD. You're welcome, Ade.tune. How many likes do we have on this stream? Only 24 likes, and at one point we had like 40 people watching. See what happens with GU. Now, the fact that I'm now looking for buys, always looking for buys, if all we're gonna get here is a retest, I'm waiting for a retest now. If that doesn't happen, if we should break below this previous support on resistance here, and price actually creates a support, which is actually trying to do right now, and then price eventually breaks below 1.25500, then I'm gonna be selling GU. If we actually break below, if you break below, I'll be selling GU. At that point, then my support level is going to be right here, because this is the new most recent support level that price actually created. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But right now I'm actually going to wait for the news, because the news is coming up at 8:30. So I'm gonna wait for the news. If I'm gonna try and take another trade on GU, and if I don't see this setup that I'm looking for, then I'm just gonna call it a day. Super Data Wolf, your favorite spammers, they didn't show up today. Can we get some more likes on this stream?
Permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time, now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, back up a bago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my,
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, sos sub y baja.
Man, there's so many people scamming in this industry. I'm just looking at the comments I have on my live stream yesterday, and it's nothing but people trying to scam other people. Like, this is just freaking insane to me.
África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es espectacular.
It's crazy, man. People just don't want to like do anything. They just want to scam people out of their hard-earned money. It's just freaking insane to me. I'm just waiting to see what's gonna happen with GU and gold. This big and retest looks so clean on the 5 minute time frame. But gotta be careful because of the news. Gotta be careful, careful, careful. You said why is your comment not showing up on the screen? It's showing now. Oh, nice. Nice, Ninja Crypto. Yep, I just looked at gold. Yep, it's getting some traction. It's getting some momentum to the upside. Just trying to break this first resistance zone here. And I feel like if he breaks it, it should keep going up. But because of this freaking previous support zone here, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, the support zone here at 1872. After the news, man, if this thing breaks below 1.25 500, I think I'm gonna take this out. Yep, exactly. Same here. Keep smashing the like button, guys. Let's see something here. And FOMC is tomorrow. Got the FOMC statement. Ooh, this 1 p.m. news is definitely gonna affect the market. Definitely, for sure. Damn, look at Gary go, boy. All right, I see you, Gary. Yeah, you're actually not wrong. Yeah, back to this high right here. Yeah, you're not wrong at all. 1900s. Man, that's gonna be an insane move if you're able to ride this thing all the way here, back here without getting stopped out. That's gonna be insane. Let's see your entry was here. Woo! Boy, oh boy, 608 pips. 600 pips potentially. Go to the 4 hour. It looks cleaner. Look at that. Ride this thing all the way back up. Clean move. Yeah, you're definitely right, Gary. It's possible. It's possible for you to catch the whole entire move back up. If the news pushes good up, hopefully it doesn't push it down. Yep, that's swing style right there. Swing style. The entry was at 1854. Yeah, you got a nice entry on gold for these buys. Yeah. Your setup here, your trade setup here was demand, and it, is working out for you so far. Working out for you so far. Probably would have taken it as well myself, but I would have just been looking to ride it back to 1872 here. And if it keeps going, obviously, I'm gonna keep trailing it. Yeah, when did this move started on? Oh shit, I was asleep. This was like during London session. I would have my own entry would have been at same thing as your entry, 1854, 1855, if I had seen this. But obviously I was asleep. Damn, what were you doing up at 4 a.m.? Oh, I forgot you drive. Alright, see what GU is gonna do in the next 15 minutes. We got news coming up in 15 minutes, so we'll see what GU is gonna do. Yeah, I remember right after I said it. I forgot you're a truck driver. I think GU will pull back to 250.71 area before heading back, maybe. Somewhere at this support. No, I actually think if he breaks this, I can't really say because I don't know what results we're gonna get when we get the news, so I can't really say. If not for the news, if we have a break, this candle actually breaks and close below this, and looks like that's what we're gonna get here. I'll be looking to sell this thing. But I just gotta wait and see what happens now. Oh, you've been trading just Asian and London now? But I still believe the best time to trade gold is New York session. That's the best time to trade gold. Because this entry here at 4 a.m. here, in my own opinion, was actually not a good entry. The best entry was actually around 5:30. That's actually the best entry. Even on the 1 hour. So this next candle here was actually a better entry here on the H1 time frame, which is around 5:30, in my own opinion. That was when I would have bought gold. And my stop loss would just be below this week. So if we go to the 30-minute time frame, let's see, right here around 5:30, entry here. No, we entry somewhere here, entry somewhere there. My stops would just have been right there for about 30 pips. Yeah, even back to this resistance zone, we're looking at about 150 pips here. So that's where my entry would have been, in my own opinion. You're saying it? I don't think GU is gonna pull back up. I don't think so. I think it's gonna start coming down because if you look on the H4, we really still in a downtrend. we really still in the downtrend, and it looks like we have a trend line rejection here. So yeah, except if the news pushes it back up again. But if the news has no effect, GU is gonna keep coming down. It's not gonna pull back up. But then again, I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but that's just my own opinion. I believe GU is gonna drop if the news has no effect. If it doesn't have no effect, I think GU is gonna drop, and gold should keep going up. It would be nice to see a pullback though after this 30-minute candle closes. It would be nice to see a pullback and then the sell continuation. Alright, UD. Oh, look at Z. Z just showed up. Alright, I'll be back, guys, before the news. So we're gonna see what happens with this news. See what happens with this news. We got news in 2 minutes. Oh man, why the hell did... Okay, this is gonna be tricky here, so we gotta wait. We're gonna take a look at the news results in a minute. Okay, came out good. Oh, so we got this rejection on gold here. If this 30-minute candle flips bullish, I'm buying gold. This candle has no top wick here. We got a nice rejection here. The news came out positive for USD. So that means USD is strong. Oh boy. That means USD is strong.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Ooh, girl, nah, nah. Sign me up with dreams. The only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight. Something good inside. Set you free. Make you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation.
I'm not in yet.
You give me motivation.
I'm not in yet, guys. You'll know when I get in.
Give you all my money. Make you look so lovely. Never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so
I just sold gold.
get you off my mind.
I said gold. I just sold GU.
Baby girl,
I saw GU. All right, GU, let's go. Who took this GU sales with me?
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be
Yep.
hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People feel you with
Decided to go for one more live on the stream. Just trying to help you guys out. What price am I in? I don't understand what you mean. Alright, GU, let's go. We're about to smash another 10 pips.
I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning
Let's just say
whatever feels right, find your
we
passion
got
and
10
fight.
pips right here.
Only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Come on, smash that 10 pips.
I ain't never gonna slow down.
Oh, oh, damn, 10 pips smashed on my phone. Yep, 10 pips smashed. Check your phone. Ooh, 10 pips smashed. This right here was at 15 pips. Just did it for some of you that got in late and because of your broker stuff. 10 pips smashed. Can I see some W's in the chat? We got this right here. We got 15, 16 pips here. This horizontal line that I just drew. But we smashed 10 pips. I closed half of my position on GU right now. This is definitely effect of the news. Can I see some W's? Can I see some W's? Even if you got in late, you should have smashed 10 pips by now. Like right about now. Even with the news based on price action, I feel like GU should keep dropping. Oh, you got in real late then. Oh, then again, my spread on this entry wasn't too bad as well. I think my spread was like, I think two pips or so. If it doesn't get back to 1.24700, it should get back to 1.24900, 920 here. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate that. Yeah, everybody is so quiet today. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Just gonna update this real quick. About 10 pips, ready to 10. Which book am I using? Hanko Trade. But that is also because I'm the one actually doing the live streaming, and the way YouTube works, you know, I'm gonna be in the trade first before you guys, so my entry will be always be before you guys. Can I take a look at Euro AUD? Not a pair that I love to trade. If you want me to look at it, just send it to the Telegram. Oh boy, come on, gold. I'm not trying to. No. Gold. Do not tempt me. Do not tempt me with this bullish flip you're trying to do. Gold is trying to tempt me. You got out in profit where? So I said don't do it. Oh boy. So I said don't do it. Jacqueline, you're talking about getting back in GU. I mean, you should have just closed the half of your profit and then move your stops to break even and let the rest run. Let me see you actually. Let me see. So I'm gonna wait. If I was gonna take it, I'm gonna wait for it to get like right about now. This is when I would have taken it. Ooh, damn! No, thank you. Damn. Damn, we're looking at like a 75 pip stop loss here. Oh, no, man. But you see, what would I tell you? You see, gold is gonna go up here. You're gonna get at least 20 pips off. There is no way you're not gonna get 20 pips here, or even 30 pips from this gold bullish flip here. Because this kind of has about 30 minutes to close. But the stops is too big. Stops is just too big. We're looking at like 75 to 80 pips stop loss. That's too big. That's too big. You said mess around and have a wig split. Don't do. Yeah, the stops was too big. Like it was like 75, 80 pips stop loss. Yeah, that's too big. 30 to 50 pips. Yeah, but not freaking 80 pips stop loss. That's too big. Nope. Go. Thank you. Oh damn! What the hell is really pulling back? Oh well. Yeah. GU, wow. GU is like, I'm not trying to give you guys more than 10 pips today. Well, it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, stopped out again. It says small lots for the big stop. What account size are we talking about? I mean, that's it. That's a nice way to think about it as well. Now it's trying to flip bearish. I've been stopped out. I'm out of GU. Stop me out. I'm out of GU on my small account, but I'm still in on my big account. It's gonna go up. Well, anyways, guys, if you're still in GU, I still feel like this thing is gonna drop. It's gonna drop. But, All right, guys. So not a bad day today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And like I said, um, I'm not gonna be trading any JPY pairs um, until Thursday because of the bank holiday in Japan. So we're gonna get back to JPY on Thursday. All right, guys. So thank you guys for hopping on. Not a bad day today. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed day.